I want you to come inside me and then watch me make myself come. And then you make yourself come from having watched that. But then when I come, act like you're surprised, like you don't even know what's happening.
Okay.
That's what's gonna happen.
Okay, that's so hot though.
Let's let it pass. They can't keep at it for long.
You said that last night, but I counted 57 minutes. And I especially need my sleep because I'm the one handling everything.
I know, honey.
Hold it right there. Okay.
Oh, baby. Oh, Jandice. Oh, Jandice.
Kathryn. Hi.
Hello.
Why is your face so tight? Did you put on a night cream?
Okay, can you two please just turn down the volume on your love fest?
Are we loud?
It's late. I'm not having a very good night. It's quite late.
What's going on, baby?
We were being a little too loud, baby. Sorry, I never noticed sound when I'm making love. What's really going on, honey?
Some private stuff between Nina Joy and me. I'd prefer not to discuss it.
Okay. Listen, I didn't want to pry. I mean, whether you two fucked or not is really none of my business. But do you want to take something to maybe unbraid your brain? You know, help you sleep? Like an Ambien? It really mutes the chatter in the marketplace. Oh. You know what I mean? Help you rest. Lights out. Hang on. So glad you came by. I am what you need. Sleepy sleep.
It's an Ambien.
Yeah.
Oh, I see the A. Well, what the fuck? I need to sleep.
Yeah.
Yes, fuck. Do you have any water I could take this with? I just have a chronically dry mouth. It's from Visceral, which is a non-habit-forming antihistamine.
Oh, yeah. Baby, do you have that clear, smooth tequila? It tastes like water. Hold on.
Yeah. Kathryn?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Ooh, whoops. Oh.